Watch Susie-Q slots only on Land Cruiser Midwest.
Hi friends, we're here at the Broken Oar and we're going to be kicking off the Susie-Q slots season here. So look forward to watching our slots.
How much are you gonna put in today?
We're gonna start off low with $40.
Low rolling,
semi-low rolling. We're gonna see what the minimum bet is, and we're gonna bet one above that.
Remember, folks, it's the little things that count. Check out Land Cruiser Midwest for Susie-Q slot content. Thank you. What are you playing today?
We're going to be putting $40 in, and we're going to be playing Blazing 7's Hot Shots. It's loading.
All right, load it up.
All right. All right, so the minimum bet is 80 cents. It's a penny denomination. We're going to be playing $1.60 a spin. You ready?
Oh,
here we go. And I'll show you what we need. We need 3 of these symbols to get the bonus. So we won 40 cents. Let's see if we can put the sound up. There you go. That's a little better. We need 3. Oh. That's a good one.
Winner, winner.
Wow, so we won our bet back. That's good. $2.40.
$2.40.
Come on, hot shot. Oh, see, we got 2. We need 3. A third one would have given us a bonus. 88 cents. Half our money. All right, so $1.60 it says, so we got our money back. Let's see if we can get that bonus. We need 2 more. 2 more. One more. Oh, almost. That was $1.12. So we have $36.08. So we're doing pretty good. Okay, bells.
Ring that bell.
Cents.
Ring that bell. Give me some dollars. Give me some dollars.
We need that bonus. Come on. Oh, see, it tells you all the payouts too.
Give me some blazing 7's.
2 more. All right. We got to get that bonus. One more. Come on. Oh, it just doesn't want to give it to us. Two more. Oh. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to throw in a couple max bets here. Oh, that was $2.40.
Wow.
I'm going to throw in a couple $4 bets, see if we can get the quick bonus. See if that'll help.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, but that's a good win. $4.40.
Paying for dinner now.
Was that Susie-Q finger dance?
Almost done.
Looking for that hand pay. Looking for
that bonus here. Okay, another one. It was $1.20. We want that bonus. We're still doing $4 bets. We're trying to get that bonus. See if it'll give it to us. Because we're doing pretty well. We're getting some money back. $4.80. Oh, one more. Almost. We're getting there. That's $1. Well, we won $5.
Ring that bell. $5? Holy cow.
So we're still at $21.20. We started with 40, so we're doing pretty good. We just want that bonus. Oh, come on, it's just being stingy. $1.40. $3.20. $3.20. Come on, bonus. Ooh, that should be good. $8. These are $8. $8. There you go. We need the bonus. Oh, come on, bonus. That was $5.40. Wow. That's more than I thought it would be. We need 2 more of you. $1. Let's get that bonus. One more. Oh, I thought we had it, but the bells were ringing. That's $2. We're at $18.20. We're $14 now. Come on, we need 2 more.
Susie-Q finger dance.
It's just stringing you along.
There you go. One more. Come on. Oh, that was nothing.
$2.
Wow, $3.80 total.
Wow.
So we're at $11. Gotta get that bonus.
Not gonna get any bonus.
$2.
That's not good. $8 left.
See if we can get that
$9
bonus.
down to $9. Look at all those 7's.
$4 winner. So we got our money back. $4. Got our money back.
We're here to win. We want a hand pay.
I don't think we'll get one on this. You never know, though. You would have to win, actually. I don't know. I don't think it can give you one. One more. Oh. That was 80 cents. All right. We got $2.80.
And
show us that Susie-Q finger dance.
We got 0 on our very last spin.
Show us that Susie-Q finger dance.
Look, this one's spinning. $5.60. Now this one's spinning. And these are amounts you can get. Oh.
that's it.
Got $5.60. So we'll do another bet at $2.80. That was our lucky bet. Let's see, 98 cents. We got enough for another spin. See if we can get it again. No. 70 cents. Let's see how much we have. $1.68. We have enough for one spin at $1.60. Oh, maybe. One more. Got it.
Finger dance.
On our last spin again. Let's see what we get. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, we almost got the max on that one. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, nothing so far. 5 times pay. Come on. Oh, we won nothing. We have 8 cents left. And we're down to 8. We cashed out at 8 cents. So we lost $32.92. But we had fun.
We had fun.
Bonus twice.
Well, at least you weren't
So
stumped.
this is the kickoff to our Susie-Q slot season. So look forward to many, many more videos, more exciting slots.
Like, share, subscribe. Also check out all of our Land Cruiser content, folks.
Yep,
More Susie-Q slots coming your way.
and on Land Cruiser Midwest.
Yeah.
All right. See you later.
Thank you.